Welcome to this guide. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a trust request in Clio Manage. Clio Manage is a powerful tool for legal professionals, and understanding how to effectively manage trust requests is essential to maintaining accurate financial records. Whether you're new to Clio Manage or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will help you navigate the process smoothly. First, let's head over to the billing section. You'll find this option on the left-hand menu of your Clio Manage dashboard. It's the hub for all your financial transactions and where you'll manage everything from invoices to trust requests. Once you're in the billing section, look towards the top of the screen and locate the Trust Requests tab. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the Trust Requests area, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You'll notice a button labeled New Trust Request in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll start creating a new trust request for your client. The next step is crucial: selecting the client and the specific matter for which you are requesting a retainer. Make sure to choose the correct client from your list and link it to the appropriate matter. This ensures that the trust request is accurately associated with the client's case and avoids any potential confusion down the line. Taking the time to double-check this information can save you from future headaches. Once you've selected the client and matter, it's time to input the required deposit amount. You'll find a field labeled Amount where you need to enter this information. Be precise with this number as it directly affects your client's trust account balance and the financial records of the case. After you've entered the deposit amount, you'll need to select the Destination Trust bank account. This is where the funds will be held, so make sure you choose the correct account to ensure proper handling of the deposit. Finally, after reviewing all the details you've entered, click Save. This action finalizes the creation of the trust request and records it within Clio Manage. Take a moment to verify that everything looks correct and that the request has been saved properly. You've now successfully created a trust request in Clio Manage. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage trust requests within Clio Manage, ensuring that your financial operations are both accurate and streamlined. Remember, staying organized and verifying details at each step is key to preventing errors and maintaining trust with your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your use of Clio Manage. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to check out our other guides for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy managing!